My name is Hannah Renee Bell, and I am auditioning for The Amazing Race with my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, I'm Roque Gerald, and I am entering this race with my amazing daughter.
We have to do our audition video via Google Hangout because we are 3,000 miles away from each other. My dad lives in Washington, D.C., and I'm in the San Francisco Bay Area. My husband and I got married 8 years ago, and I'm 34 years old, and we don't have any children. We're in a place where we don't have a lot of responsibilities outside of my job and our business.
So I'm an executive with a large nonprofit, but I'm in the encore years of my life, moving around as often as we did growing up with my dad working for the United Nations. Had this capacity to really navigate foreign countries really well. I speak both Spanish and English and understand some French. The timing is excellent. I'm planning to retire within the next 2 years. So this is a great time for me to have some really, really special memories with my daughter. Ever since I have been a cancer survivor, I've wanted to just make every memory great. I've traveled extensively. I've been to Russia, canoed north of the Arctic Circle. I've been to Amsterdam.
You made me an adrenaline junkie. We've gone whitewater rafting together, gone camping, mountain biking, canoeing. I've jumped out of an airplane. I've gone spelunking. I'm about to go to Jamaica, and I'm planning on going cliff diving. I think it's your fault. It's because of you. I think I've got one of the most bubbly personalities of anyone that I've ever met. I know that my patience can be really short. The one thing that I love about my dad is the fact that he has more patience. I don't like bullies and I don't like mean people. And so if there's any other teams that are kind of mean, I'll probably be the one that's like avoiding them. My dad is a good counterpart to me for that. He's more of a strategist than I am. Wouldn't you say, Dad?
Yes, so I think we're very similar and yet so very different. My daughter's gregarious and very expressive, and I'm much more private. But I like playing chess, and I'm a fencer. And so I love being sort of this forensic psychologist, figuring people out. So I love the difficult folks because they give me a challenge to figure out how I'm going to be able to really get past them.
We've never really argued either. We're not...
We haven't argued, but we both have this code. We will not pick a fight, but we will finish it. Because we're both Leos and very strong-willed.
So, Dad, do you think I'm going to embarrass you on the race?
Oh, that's the one thing I'm worried about.
Why?
Because I don't know what you will pull out of your hat.
Thank you, Amazing Race. We really, really, really hope that you choose us. We're committed, and we really want to do this. There's no better time than now.
You choose us, and we are the next winners of Amazing Race.